Hey, what's up everybody? This is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I will show you that how you can become ClickFunnels affiliate. Right guys? So guys, now you have heard a lot of ClickFunnels affiliate program, right guys? And you might have seen that there are so many affiliate marketers that they are making lots of money with ClickFunnels affiliate program, right guys? So guys, yes, you are absolutely right. Because initially when I just heard about ClickFunnels affiliate program, I wasn't in the, you can say, in the impression that that I will be making money with ClickFunnels affiliate program. But when I started making money with ClickFunnels affiliate program, right, then I just, you can say, I believe that yes, it is one of the best affiliate program that you can make money by promoting ClickFunnels and ClickFunnels other program, right guys? So without any delay, let I show you that how you can become ClickFunnels affiliate. So that you can promote ClickFunnels as well as ClickFunnels other products, right guys? So actually there are two ways that you can become ClickFunnels affiliate, right? First one is that when you subscribe to ClickFunnels, right? Let us show you that how. When you subscribe to ClickFunnels, then you already become an affiliate of ClickFunnels. Mean to say, you don't have to apply for ClickFunnels affiliate program, right? And you can directly go to your ClickFunnels affiliate dashboard, and there you can start promoting ClickFunnels products, right guys? So this is the first way, right, that you become ClickFunnels affiliate when you subscribe to ClickFunnels, right? Okay, so that by going into my account. Guys, as you can see that I'm into my ClickFunnels account, right? So you can see that this is the money that I have made in last 30 days by promoting ClickFunnels products, right? Let us show you my affiliate dashboard. So guys, yes, can you see that this is my affiliate dashboard, right? So you can see that I have made money, right? In the last 7 days I have made 39.80. In last 30 days I have made $278.60. So guys, so this is the first way, right? First way, that when you subscribe to ClickFunnels, then you already become an affiliate of ClickFunnels, right? So you don't have to apply again for becoming ClickFunnels affiliate, right guys? You already become an affiliate, right? And that you can find your affiliate dashboard by going into your profile section that I showed you, right? By going here, right? By going here, when you click on that, and you will find down below there is a affiliate tab, right? And second one is that is whatsyourdreamcar.com. So when you go to that domain, that is whatsyourdreamcar.com, then in that case, let us show you how. Whatsyourdreamcar.com. So guys, this is the second way. Mean to say, here you don't have to you can say subscribe to ClickFunnels, right? Without subscribing to ClickFunnels, you can become ClickFunnels affiliate, and you can start promoting ClickFunnels products so you can make money. So this is the second way that you can become ClickFunnels affiliate, right? Can you see that? Sign up to become an affiliate, right? So guys, can you see that there is a tab, log into your affiliate account here. So in that case, as I have already subscribed to ClickFunnels, then in that case I will click on here, right, to log in into my account. Or I can directly go to ClickFunnels official website, and there I can log in. And if I'm not ClickFunnels can say subscriber, then in that case what I will do, right, I will go here to create my account as an affiliate, or to become an affiliate of ClickFunnels. Then by going here I have to submit a form, right? Can you see that? So guys, this is the form that I have to submit to become an affiliate program. Let us show that how you can. Just here, as I am already ClickFunnels affiliate, so here I am just putting out my dummy information, right? So my free, just to show you that how you can become or how you can apply for their affiliate program. So my file street. My city, my state, my name, zip code that you have to submit, right? Your country name, as in I'm from India, so my number, right, and my PayPal address, right? Here you have to put your PayPal email address, right, so that you can get money. Right, and here if you have tax ID or SSN number, then you have to put your number. If not, then put 000, right? So create your account. Now can you see that? So this is your ClickFunnels affiliate dashboard, right guys? So as you can see that I have created my account, ClickFunnels account, affiliate account, and I can, by going here, I can start promoting any product. For example, if I want to promote this one, then yes, I can go here and I can start promoting affiliate product. So this is my affiliate link, right guys? Can you see that? Right? So for example, if I want to promote ClickFunnels, then for that I will go here, right? And then I can you see that? So these are the training that I can promote. So affiliate bootcamp I can promote. This is what's your dream car contest. This is the ClickFunnels that I can promote. So this is my affiliate link, right guys? So guys, now you know. So if you go down below, then there are so many products that you can promote. You have to click on that tab and you can be taken to, for example, right now I'm promoting one funnel away challenge. So for promoting this, I have to click on that tab, and this is my affiliate link, right guys? So guys, now you know how to become ClickFunnels affiliate, right guys? There are two ways. First, when you subscribe to ClickFunnels, then you also become an affiliate of ClickFunnels. Second, if you don't subscribe to ClickFunnels, then you can become ClickFunnels affiliate by going to whatsyourdreamcar.com, right? And there you can find the tab where you have to submit your form, right, to become an affiliate of ClickFunnels, and you can start promoting, right guys? So guys, let me know if you have any questions, right? If there is anything for me, then please do let me know. I will personally help you. And yes guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video, then you also like and comment, right guys? So thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.